How to optimize AirPods battery. So if you want to optimize your AirPods battery, this is simply what you need to do. So if at the end of this you find this open informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to optimize the battery, go ahead and grab your iPhone. On your iPhone, click on settings. Go ahead and click on Bluetooth. Then turn on Bluetooth. Go ahead and open your AirPods. Once opened, connect your AirPods to your iPhone. And once it is connected, click on the information icon. Now scroll down the AirPods page until you get to battery. Click on it. Now under battery, locate and turn on optimize battery charging. This is going to help to reduce aging iPhone and AirPod length from your charging routine, as AirPod can wait to finish charging capacity until you need to use them. And then you are good. So that is basically how to optimize AirPods charging capacity on your phone. If you found this open informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.